2. Which is the best example of mixture? Raise your hand if you got that. Tell me. Salt water in the ocean. If you agree, raise your hand. If you disagree, raise your hand. Okay, pretty much everybody agreed, which is good because that's right. A brick of pure gold. If you hear that word pure, that means it's a pure substance. So it's not a mixture. Distilled water. When you distill water, it's just H2O. That means they've taken all the other stuff out of it. Helium in a balloon. Helium is an element off the periodic table, and if it's an element only, it must be pure substance. So it's got to be salt water and ocean. Salt, water mixed together makes salt water. All right, number 3. Which term best describes matter that contains only one kind of atom? What you got? Element, very good. That's straight out of your vocabulary word. When it's only one kind of atom, no matter how many atoms there are, as long as it's just one kind, it's an element. If that was a struggle for you, you need to study extra tonight. Two for each table. All right, our solubility lab, we're going to start right now. I need you to listen to instructions because I'm only going to tell you once. If you mess it up, that's your grade. The solubility lab, we're going to be testing mixtures of solutes and solvents. Solubility is the ability of one substance to dissolve in another. There are some things that when you mix together, they will not dissolve into each other. Like oil and water. You can mix it all you want, but the oil is not going to dissolve in the water. It's just not going to happen. So we're going to be testing the solubility of different mixtures today. We're going to have 3 solids, 4 liquids. Your solids are salt, sugar, cornstarch. The liquids are, make sure I'm right, water. Oh no, we only have 3. Let me take the vinegar away. So water, rubbing alcohol, and vegetable oil. Everybody focused? Thank you. At each table, I put well-drop plates. You know, they're supposed to be used for mixing paint, but we're going to use them for chemistry today. There should be 2, so you have 12 wells altogether. You're not going to use all of them. You need to use your chart. Follow the directions on the page. There's written instructions. You need to use your chart to tell you what mixtures are. So, for example, the first one says you're going to dissolve sugar into water. Everybody see that? Then you're going to dissolve sugar into rubbing alcohol, and then you're going to try to dissolve it into vegetable oil. You're going to do that for all your solids. So you're going to have 9 combinations altogether. When you mix this, you only need to use a little bit of each substance. Try to make sure it's equal amount. So 1-to-1 ratio, same amount of powder, same amount of liquid. When you mix it, if it dissolves, then you're going to write yes. If you mix it and it still looks like it's separated and it hasn't dissolved, you're going to write no. The way you're going to get the out is by using popsicle sticks as scoops. So you really don't need that much. And then as soon as I follow the droppers, we're going to use those as getting our liquids out. I want to make sure that you do not cross the liquids. So don't use the dropper for the oil in the rubbing alcohol, because then your results are going to be wonky. Does that make sense? You do not have to do it in the order that is on your table, so you don't have And I really only want one person from each group getting up at a time. So decide who that person is. Each partner or group. Each partner or group is responsible for turning in their own paper. So whoever your partner or if you're a group of three is, write all your names on that paper. Let's go ahead and do that now. And then decide who's going to get your materials. Yes, ma'am. You just need one. One per partnership. Okay. Once you decide who's getting materials and who is going to record, yes. Make sure you're not sitting in me. You may go ahead and start. I only want a few of the time, so don't get all of the solids right now. Don't get 3 of them, just get one. Go up and get sugar, go up and get whatever, and then get your liquid. And that way you can keep track of what you're doing, because it's easy to put a whole bunch of stuff on the plates and then get confused. I will pass around toothpicks to help you mix up your mixtures. Alright, so I'm having a moment, you cannot remember where I put my droppers, you know, from 2 days ago. So listen carefully. First period, that means stop talking, Jackies. Instead of droppers, we're gonna use straws. Everybody know how to drop water using a straw? Yeah, don't put your mouth on it. Stick it in the liquid, put your thumb over the top, pull it out, let it go. Have you done that with your soda before? Y'all good. So put it in the water, put your thumb over it. It holds a little bit of water in it, let it go, it comes out.
Oh.
So I'm putting some straws at each of the liquids for you to mix it up. Hey, do not take the sugar and stuff to your table. Take the well plate to the counter because y'all are not the only ones wanting to use the stuff. Only get 4. There's 2 sides to the toothpicks. I'll just wipe off toothpicks and reuse them too. Make sure you put yours and your partner's name on the paper because we want both of you to get credit for it.